How do you get a boat that's not on a trailer, sitting on blocks, to be a boat that's on a trailer when you haven't got a boat lift? Stick around and we'll show you how it's done the old school way. But first, like, subscribe and share. To put a boat on a trailer, you first need a trailer and something to push or pull it. The front end of the boat needs to come up and the back end of the trailer needs to come down. The boat's then sitting on its rear blocks and part of the trailer as it's slid in. The blocks at the front of the boat are then removed so that the trailer can be pushed progressively back towards the rear blocks, which are now supporting the boat hull laterally. With the boat still resting on the rear blocks, the front is lifted again and the trailer pushed even further under the boat. Most of the keel is now sitting on the centre rollers of the boat trailer. After some careful positioning, the forklift can be removed from the front of the boat. And the boat pulled the last few inches onto the trailer using the trailer winch. towing vehicle is then connected to the trailer, and the combination is just about ready. All we need now is a light board and an adjustment of a few rollers.